again. Today we are going to be making the famous Dalgona coffee. This may seem to be a very lengthy process and very difficult, but there is a small trick in the video which will help you get your coffee in under 10 minutes. If you decide to try out this amazing coffee, then do give your reviews on the numbers mentioned on the screen. So if you want to know how to make this amazingly delicious coffee, then keep on watching.
We are going to begin by adding in 1 teaspoon of instant coffee to our bowl, and make sure you are using instant coffee only because it does not work with the other kinds of coffee. Next, we are going to add in 1 teaspoon of sugar and mix it together. And next, here comes the special trick. So you're just going to add in 1 spoonful, like 1 tablespoon of warm water, and you're going to give that a mix. And now you're going to whisk this till it becomes nice and frothy. So in approximately 5 to 6 minutes, you can see that it changes the color from a very dark coffee color to a more whipped and light color. If you have an electric blender, you can use that as well. Now you can see here I added in a teaspoon of water just to loosen it up because I thought the mixture was too thick. You can see how the mixture is thickening up right now. And it has become nice and thick, and it is very shiny also. So you can see that like soft peaks forming. So you're going to continue whipping till the peak sort of stands up on its own. So you can see here that like the peak, like if you lift it up, it is not falling over instantly. So that indicates that our mixture is ready. So now we are going to get a glass in which we want to make our coffee, and in that we are going to just fill it up with 4 to 5 ice cubes. And then we are going to add in chilled milk, and this should be up to 2/3 of your glass. Once this is done, now we are just going to take our mixture and we are going to spoon in our coffee mixture. And you can see it sort of just floats on top. And what I'm doing is that I'm sort of spreading it and making sure it like sort of sticks to the glass. I'm pushing it towards the corners, and then we're just going to spread it out on the top layer. And this is done. So guys, this is our Dalgona mixture. I've just poured in some of the more coffee mixture on top, and you can see those are the beautiful colors. They are nice and separated and look amazing and taste absolutely delicious. So do try this recipe. Bye.